Today we are adding 146 plus 3 using a mental math strategy called add the ones. When I look at 146, I see I have 100, 4 tens, and 6 ones. Since I'm adding ones, 3 of them, to my 6 ones, I'm going to decompose or break apart my number into my ones and then into my tens and hundreds. The value of my 1 is 100. And the value of my 4 tens is 40. So that's 140 that I would put together, plus my 6 ones to make up 146. My next step now is to add my ones. So 3 plus 6 is my first number sentence. 3 and 6 more is 9. If you did not know that, you could show 6 and 3 more on an imaginary 10 frame as a sketch. Now I'm going to add everything back together. So my 140 plus my 9 ones. 140 plus 9 is 149. Since I don't have any tens or hundreds I need to add, I just add 0 and 9 ones. So 146 and 3 more using a mental math strategy, add the ones, is 149. Our next example is 291 plus 6. Again, I'm going to think about adding my ones since I see that I have 6 ones to add to the 1 that I have in 291. If I were to write 291 in expanded form, I would have 200 plus 90 plus 1. So when I decompose this number, 1 will stay by itself, and then 290 will be the rest of that number. Again, I'm going to add my ones first, since this is the add the one strategy. 6 and 1 more is 7. Again, if I needed to use an imaginary 10 frame off to the side, I could do that. And I'm going to add 290, since I have not used that number, it's outside of my circle of numbers I've used. I'm going to add 290 to 7, and that gives me 297. I did not sketch anything out on this one. I do not need to show a place value chart because I'm using my mental math strategies and decomposing my number. Go ahead and try 345 plus 2. When you're ready to check your work, unpause the video. $345 and 2 more is 300 plus 40 plus 5 to make 345. I break apart my ones and leave everything else, 340, outside of my circle when I add my ones. 2 plus 5 is 7. Then I add my 7 back into my tens and hundreds to get 347.